And we are here with two tactical LED flashlights. We got the Fenix TK11 TAC and also the TA30 operator. Both lights are very simple, easy, fast, and just really tactical. You always have an access to turbo. And we are now going to take a look here at both those models. So on the Fenix TK11 TAC, we have this ring here on the tail, so you can choose between a tactical mode, the lockout mode, and also a duty mode. In the tactical mode, you always have turbo. One single press here gives you turbo. 1600 lumens. Press and hold the switch and you go to strobe. It takes about 1 second until it, or 1 to 2 seconds until it starts the strobe when you press and hold it. There's also the constant on feature, so just one single press, a complete press, will keep the turbo, or you have the momentary on. There's also this lockout mode, so this is really gonna lock the operation completely. And we have the duty mode, and in this one you also have access to all those brightness settings as well to strobe. It's just gonna save the previously used level, so when you switch it on now in the low mode, it goes back to low again when you switch it on. There's also the constant on function here. One single press when the light is running, and you can switch between the modes or the brightness settings. Press and hold the switch and you go to strobe. So if somebody really wishes to have the turbo instantly, then of course the tactical mode is probably the one you want to take. Here you really don't have to think about the mode you use when you switch it off. It's just gonna be turbo, nothing else. Always turbo. Very simple. Tactical here on the TK11 from Fenix, or the tactical version basically. And we are now going to take a look here at the Nextorch TA30 operator. This is almost the same. You also have this ring here on the tail with which you can choose between a few different modes. So we are now in the tactical mode here, and this is going to give you a turbo always immediately with a half press. A full press gives you strobe. Half press, turbo, full press, strobe. There is no constant on here. It's just gonna be the momentary on here with this tactical mode. If you wanna have the light activated constantly, then you can choose between a few brightness settings here. 3 different levels. Constant on, second and third, or basically the turbo now. And there's also an indoor mode, so for police and law enforcement this can be helpful because it's gonna be a bit less light. It has a reduced brightness setting here. It's just gonna be about 300 lumens in the indoor mode, so there's not gonna be so much reflection of the light back to you when you are inside a building. One press here gives you 300 lumens, or basically a half press, and a full press gives you the strobe. And again here you only have the momentary on function. There is no constant on. If you want to have a constant on, you gotta go back here with the ring to the brightness that you want to use. This is a very tactical light here. Instant turbo, instant strobe, very fast and very compact. Both lights have their advantages and unique features. and both are powered by one-piece 18650 battery, or you can also choose or use two pieces CR123 batteries. That's also a possibility, but usually I would recommend using an 18650 battery. It's a bit easier and you can recharge it if needed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you enjoyed this presentation, you can press the like button, and for more news and other presentations, you can subscribe to the channel. There will be more videos soon. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.